Installing Superflow with Bubble is super easy. First, go to the Superflow onboarding flow. We will be asked to enter the URL where we will be deploying Superflow with Bubble. To get that URL, go to your Bubble app builder. Click on Preview in the top right corner, and then you can copy the URL from here. Now I'm going to copy and paste that URL and move on to the next step. Next, scroll down and choose a platform. Click on Other. We'll then be given this code snippet that we're going to copy. So I'm going to copy this and click Yes, I've saved. Now I'm going to go to the Bubble app builder. I'm going to go to Settings and then SEO meta tags. And I'm going to scroll down until I see Script in the body. This is where I'll be pasting that code snippet that I just copied earlier. Now, to save my Bubble app, I'm going to go to Main and then click Deploy to Live. Then I'm going to type added code snippet, and now my app will be deployed. Now, if I go back to my Superflow onboarding flow, I can click Yes, I've published, and then I can verify whether I installed Superflow correctly. And if the installation was correct, we'll be taken to our deployed site, and Superflow will be installed in the bottom right corner. We know Superflow is installed correctly when it says review equals true in the URL. So now that Superflow is installed, what can we do? Well, we can highlight text and leave a comment here. We can draw a box and leave a comment that way. And we can also comment on any element in the page. And that is how you install Superflow with Bubble.